What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the 6x6 out. Basically it's a TRX6. Let's see what let's tell you her name. Her name is Grace. Anybody that knows me knows what Grace means. We've got the Proline, no, we got Proline High Racks, G8 compounds, the Jora dual stage foams inside, and they got a little side-to-side movement because the foams don't fit the tires good. So what we did to prevent that is we actually put spacers, wheel hex spacers, 12 millimeters on all 6 of them. We've got a raw 500 servo in the front. We got the stock motor, a 1080 ESC, and we've also cut these fenders to give it more travel. No, we actually took the fenders all the way off. I forgot about that. Put shock towers, metal shock towers back here, and metal shock towers up here. Have a little bit of brass on the chassis there to hold a servo winch if we ever want to put one back on it. So I'm going to take it out here. It's real wet out here today, as you can tell. I mean, I will probably fall more than the truck falls today, but we're going to give it a try. I hope y'all enjoy this video. All right, first we'll just try Heartbreak Hill. I believe that's what it's called. It's real green and wet today, so I don't know how to do with it being so green. They got moss on there. We've been getting so much rain. I might have to back up and take a run and go. We've been getting so much rain that everybody been coming down here and burning the moss off these rocks with them RC tires we got up there. See, she lifted the front end just a little bit. Today is the day you need a 6x6. You're gonna crawl. See how it does here when it drops off right here. Oh yeah, she's holding it good, Good job. So we'll come off down here. We usually don't come off down here, but we'll do it this morning. Nice job, nice job. I don't know about this. This is usually pretty hard when it's dry. Oh, just as I thought. I'll flip her back up. Get her back up there. Maybe give her a little bit of second gear. Oh! I think that might be too much. Oh, she was wanting to go. Another rollover. We're back in the second gear. Try to start over on this side. Just got a message on my phone. Sorry about that, y'all. Looks like it might be a no-go for today. That's a real hard one anyway. Let's try this one. Gotta get off the dirt. If we get off the dirt up on the rocks, we might be alright. Oh, we was almost there. There we are. Oh, nice, nice. It took all 6 wheels, but it made it. All right, now let's go back down here. Oh, nice. Let's go ahead and try this over here while we're here. This is a nice little climb to do. We done lost our line. Oh, I'm in second too. I need to be back in first. up there on that rock. I know this truck has done it before, but it wasn't this wet. I want to try to bring y'all videos that don't have a lot of cuts in it, so you can see, you know, that I'm not just trying it 100 times and showing you the one time it did make it. It's real wet down here this morning. It's been raining, and it's been a long time since I drove this truck. Let's try it one more time. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. We up there now. Now all we got to do is work with what we got. Got to get that over there and stay. Oh, come on, stay there, stay there. It's gonna fall. Oh, I knew it was gonna fall. At least there ain't water in that hole today. Usually that hole is full of water. So it can be done. Just got to get the right line. Whoa, get more in the truck. There we go, there we go. Now we got all four, well, we got all, yeah, kind of four wheels up there. We got to work on keeping, got to somehow get that right one to set down and not slide off in these wet conditions. We're gonna try to back up just a hair. Oh, without falling off. We might just run up there and get it, but outside. One more time, we're going to something else. It just might be too wet for grace this morning. Might be time for a tire change too. Oh, she ain't gonna make it up this morning. It's just too wet. Go down here and try some of this other stuff. See how muddy it is. Man, it's a mess down here this morning. Made it up there. Got to keep the truck out the river. Go back to first gear. I love these Traxxas with the 2-speed transmission, man. It really helps you out a whole lot. You got the low, and you got a high that, just like the difference in first and second is just great. You get the sweet spot of the low gear, and you get the sweet spot of the high gear. Oh yeah. Slipper clutch. Oh, pulled that out. Only a 6-to-6 pull-out line like that. There's a lost connection with my camera. Hang on a minute, y'all. All right, we're back. It might be the fact that I had 20 outs open. Sometimes that could be it. nothing for a truck. Even though today it's so wet, it's a little something. Still not over this. I'm gonna try this one more time. I almost fell right there. I'm gonna try it. Come up from this angle. Try. See if I can get up there. Oh, she's almost wanting to get it. Dang it. So close. Oh. Come on, Grace. I know you got it in you, girl. You can do it. This is where you insert one of them, what is it, 3 years later. We're gonna have to just bump it up there, I guess. Bump it up there. Oh, there we go. Oh, finally. Let me move the camera up a little bit so y'all can see. Got up there. I don't know if we'll get any further than that, but. Oh, go ahead, go ahead. There's a wheel, there's a way. Y'all, I'm hoping before the end of the year I'll be able to get some upgrades on the camera and maybe a couple wireless mics, so you'll be able to hear me better and hear the truck better. And maybe make a little bit better quality videos. This year I upgraded my computer, and I've done some better upgrades so we can still bring you 4K content. And not take a half a day to encode the video. Yeah, it's stupid wet. Ain't nothing going up this today, I don't think. Watch this. There goes Grace showing out. God, one more time. One more time. Get that lip in there. Rejected. Rejected. All right, y'all, that's about all she's gonna be able to do today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you like. And remember, till next time, I love you, but God loves you more.